During the cold winter months, there's nothing I love more than a big bowl of piping hot soup. This is my duck à l'orange soup. First, what I want to do, I've got some duck fat. I've got 1 onion. I'm also going to add 1 carrot that I just want to dice up and a celery stick. I've got 4 cloves of garlic. Then I want to add some other flavors. So we've got a cinnamon quill, in you go, 2 star anise, some thyme leaves, 2 bay leaves, and I've got some ground cumin and ground coriander. Smells amazing. Then I've got some chicken stock. I also want to add the zest and juice of 2 oranges. So now for the hero of our soup, I've used the à l'orange duck legs from the Luv-a-Duck Heat and Eat range. All I did was cook these in the oven, 190 degrees, for about 10 minutes or so, just to heat them up. They're already cooked. I want to remove the star anise and the cinnamon quill now. They've done their job. Thank you very much. And you can also remove the thyme sprigs as well. Give that a little stir and just let that cook for a couple of minutes just to heat that duck through again. Final flourish, just some extra thyme leaves just picked over the top. Guys, you have to try this at home. Duck à l'orange soup in no time at all, 25 minutes. This will cure what ails you guys this winter.